Beyond Paradise is just around the corner and it runs in tandem with the BBC's hit series, Death in Paradise. The new show welcomes some familiar faces including Felicity Montague as Margot Martins and Dylan Llewellyn as PC Calby Hartford. The pair spoke to Express.co.uk and other press about joining the world of Death in Paradise. The new series follows D.I. Humphrey Goodman, Chris Marshall, and his fiancée Martha Lloyd, Sally Breton, as they enjoy a quieter life in Shipton Abbott. As Martha dreams of setting up her own restaurant, Humphrey joins the local police force and they have a very different approach to police work. Each week the team faces a new crime as an entire family disappears without any clues as to their whereabouts. Meanwhile, there is a ghostly tale and the robbery of a highly prized painting. Dylan and Felicity opened up about joining such a well-established world. Felicity said, "I had watched some of Death in Paradise and it's a thoroughly enjoyable show. And also a testament to Red Planet, they have done 12 series and that's phenomenal, it's absolutely huge and it's got a massive following. So I read the Beyond Paradise scripts and I love the scripts, that's where I always start. When you see everything so clearly with the characters you want to play and other characters, it's beautifully crafted. Knowing we are coming out of Death in Paradise and we are a spin-off, there is a responsibility in that, which Tim Key and Tony Jordan were very aware of. So they pay homage but we also create something unique as well that's different from. It follows the disciplines of Death in Paradise. But of course, Chris Marshall was detective for 4 years so there was a sense of responsibility in following on. I'm in awe that we are doing something that is in tandem with Death in Paradise and we really hope everyone loves it. It's a compliment to Death in Paradise actually." Derry Girls star Dylan admitted he had not watched the original show but was excited to bring something fresh to the franchise. He said, "I hadn't watched Death in Paradise but I wanted a fresh perspective on it with Beyond Paradise for my character. I am planning to watch Death in Paradise, I can't wait to watch it, but speaking on behalf of Beyond Paradise, I think it's amazing. It's so beautifully presented and written and it's all just coming together like a lovely symphony and I'm really excited for everyone to watch it." As Humphrey gets stuck into his new job, he and Martha must also navigate life's ups and downs. As Martha is back in her hometown, faces from the past start to pop up and pose challenges. The decisions they make and the tests of setting up life in a new town put their relationship to the ultimate test. The new series will consist of 6 episodes. Beyond Paradise starts on BBC One on Friday, February 24.